Testosterone levels in men have been dropping for decades. Studies show that men today have 40% lower testosterone than their grandfathers, and it's not slowing down. Here's the good news. You can fix this naturally and get your energy, muscle, and confidence back. But if you don't, you'll keep waking up tired, struggling to build muscle, feeling weaker, slower, and less like yourself every single year. So if you're tired of feeling like you're running on empty, this video is going to show you exactly how to take control of your testosterone without the gimmicks. Chris Caldwell, men's health practitioner who's helped thousands of dads, husbands, and business owners take back control of their testosterone and energy without relying on sketchy supplements or quick fix nonsense. Because let's be honest, most of what you hear today about boosting testosterone is either outdated, flat out wrong, and I'm here to actually give you real science-backed strategies that actually work. Step one, fix your sleep, because testosterone is made at night. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If your sleep is trash, your testosterone is gonna be trash, and that's just a simple fact. One study actually found that getting less than 5 hours of sleep per night can lower your testosterone levels by up to 15% in just 1 week. What you want to do is you want to aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep by following the 90-minute sleep rule to maximize deep sleep, because in deep sleep, this is when your body actually produces most testosterone. Step two, stop eating testosterone-killing foods. Your diet plays a huge role in hormone production. Some of the foods you eat every day might be actually wrecking your testosterone. These are highly processed food, seed oils, excessively sugary foods, which all have been linked to increased estrogen levels and lower testosterone production. What you want to do is you want to ditch the seed oils and opt for olive oil, avocado oil, and grass-fed butter. Eat more whole foods, proteins, and healthy fats to actually support hormone balance. Step three is train like a man. Training matters. But if you're running 10 miles a day and you're still wondering, like, why do I feel drained? This is because heavy compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and bench press have been shown to increase testosterone. Meanwhile, excessive cardio actually lowers T levels due to the cortisol spike. What you want to do is you want to focus on strength training at least 3 to 4 times per week, lift heavy, and focus on compound movements and recover properly. It's not about killing yourself in the gym, it's about training smart. Step four is to manage your stress, because cortisol actually kills testosterone. Stress is testosterone's worst enemy. When cortisol levels are high, testosterone levels drop. That's just a biological fact. A 2016 study found that chronic stress significantly suppresses testosterone production, leading to low energy and poor recovery. To lower cortisol, get outside in the sun, take deep breaths, and stop doom scrolling before bed, because bad news at midnight isn't helping your testosterone. One more thing I want to tell you guys is that studies show that vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium play a crucial role in testosterone production. Deficiencies in these three can lead to low energy, poor recovery, and even mood swings. What I want you to do is I want you to get some sunlight for vitamin D. You can eat oysters or red meat for your zinc, and supplement magnesium right before bed. These small changes make a massive difference in how you feel. Be honest. What's one habit you know you have that probably is hurting your testosterone? Even if you haven't fixed it yet, I want you to drop it in the comments, because I want to see exactly what's holding you back. What you guys need to remember is that boosting testosterone naturally isn't complicated. You want to fix your sleep, eat real food, train with a purpose, manage your stress the best you can in the world we live in, and optimize key nutrients. If you do these consistently, you'll start seeing real changes in your energy, confidence, and strength. But here's the thing. If you're making even one mistake in your daily routine, you might be sabotaging your testosterone without even realizing it. I actually made a video on the #1 testosterone killer that you're probably doing that you don't even know you're doing. Because if you don't fix it, none of this is going to work. And listen, you don't have to figure this out alone. If you want to connect with other men who are working on their testosterone, fitness, and performance, join the Man of Health community. It's 100% free. It's where we talk about everything from workouts to nutrition to mindset without all that BS. The link is in the description. I can't wait to see you guys there. I'm Chris with Man of Health channel. I'll see you guys in the next video and hopefully in the community. I'll see you over there.